De Panne on the Nuba 2021 Ride to Happiness. Are you ready, Charlotte?
Yeah.
This is it, we're on the back row. Straight into a slow inversion with some ridiculous hang time. Woo! Oh God, it's got onboard audio. Honestly, this is it. Are you ready for a spin?
Yeah.
This is it. Woo! Oh wow! Oh wow! Get ready for it. We're about to go whip. Oh wow! Woo! Fire! Amazing! Woo! Second launch, here we go! Woo! Here we go, baby! Woo! Oh my God! Fire time! Oh, honestly, that coaster is absolutely insane.
I've got no words.
It's ridiculous, that thing. It's the complete package. It's got 5 inversions, 2 launches, airtime. Honestly, like, oh, it's incredible. It really is. We've had like 3 rides on it so far.
So good.
We're absolutely loving it. Check out the vlog here on Theme Park Worldwide if you've not already seen it. And that leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding.